Welcome back to my channel, where I will explore the fascinating world of biology. In the previous video, I gave a brief introduction of the human body and how it is organized from molecular level to organ system level. Today I am going to give you details of the molecular level of how molecules are formed and how they are combined to form organelles. So let's move toward our topic, the molecular level. Before going to its depth, we must know that in the human body, elements usually don't occur in isolated forms. The atoms of different elements combine with each other through different types of bonds to make molecules. First of all, look at the definition of molecule. A molecule is the smallest unit of substance that retains the properties of that substance. It is actually a group of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together. How molecules are formed? Molecules are formed through various chemical reactions where atoms share or exchange electrons to form chemical bonds. For example, a molecule of water consists of two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom. Types of biological molecules. In the biological world, molecules are of two types: micromolecules and macromolecules. First we look at what are micromolecules. Molecules with low molecular weight are called micromolecules. For example, amino acids, monosaccharides, fatty acids, purines, pyrimidines and nucleotides. What are macromolecules? Molecules with high molecular weight are called macromolecules. For example, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. This is all about molecules. Now move towards the role of biomolecules in the formation of organelles. Process of organelles formation and maintenance consists of 6 steps which we are going to discuss now. Here's a simple overview of how organelles are formed from biomolecules. First step is the molecular synthesis, which we discussed before about how molecules are formed. The process of organelles formation starts from the synthesis of biomolecules like carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. The second step is the molecular assembly. In this step, molecules assembled into organelles that are specialized structures within cells that perform specific functions. They are formed through a process that involves the assembly of molecules into more complex structures. Third step is the vesicle formation. Some of these assembled molecules form vesicles, which are small, membrane-bound structures that can fuse with other vesicles or with the plasma membrane. Fourth step is the organelle formation, which is also known as biogenesis of organelles. In this step, vesicles formed from the assembly of biomolecules come together to form organelles. Fifth step is organelle maturation. Once organelle formed, it undergo maturation processes, such as lipid modification and membrane remodeling, to acquire their specific functions and structures. Last step is the organelle maintenance. Organelles are maintained through continuous processes of protein and lipid turnover, membrane recycling, and quality control mechanisms to ensure their proper function and integrity. Few examples of organelle formation from molecules include mitochondria, formed from the fusion of vesicles containing mitochondrial proteins and lipids. Lysosomes, formed from the fusion of vesicles containing lysosomal enzymes and lipids. Peroxisomes, formed from the fusion of vesicles containing peroxisomal proteins and lipids. Organelle formation is a complex and highly regulated process that involves many molecular interactions and cellular pathways. That's it for today's journey into a molecular level. I hope you now have a better understanding of molecular level and role of biomolecules in organelles formation. Thanks for watching the video.